Bismillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we're talking about comparing numbers. What is the meaning of comparing numbers? Comparing a number that we have two numbers. We need to find the relation between them. If one of them is greater than the other one, or greater than, or is smaller than, or equal. So the first sign that we have now, which is greater than, and the second one, which is less than, the third one, which is equal. So if you need to compare between 5 and 3, if you start from 5, you have to say that 5 is greater than 3. But if you start from 3 to 5, 3 is less than 5. That is the difference between greater than and smaller than. The sign is always look to the greatest number. So how we can compare between the two largest numbers? If we have two numbers like that, 41,793 and 41,294. How we can compare between them? So number one, we need to count the digits. Number one, count the digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first number is formed from 5 digits. And the second number is formed from 5 digits. Both of the two numbers formed from the same number of digits. So we start looking from the left. We have 4 and 4. 1 and 1. But we have here 7 and 2. They are different. So which one is greater than? 7 is greater than 2. So 41,793 is greater than 41,294. You understand this point or not? If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you didn't understand. Ryan, just a minute to open the mic. Ryan, what's the problem? Ryan, I opened the mic for you. We have another Ryan. Ryan, what's the problem?
I don't have a problem, but one day, yes, before, okay, in yesterday's, last week, Thursday, my hand was raised up for the whole class, even in my video in the Zoom, and you didn't let.
I can't hear you. Please use the mic. Muhammad Zakwan?
So what are we learning? Because I just came late.
We didn't say. You just started the lesson for comparing numbers. What is the meaning? How we can compare between the two numbers. That's all. We didn't say anything new. Okay? Okay. If you didn't understand this part, please raise your hands. Okay. So open the book, page 24. Open your book, page 24. Page 24. Page 24. If you did it, if you open the book, please raise your hands. If you open the book, page 24, please raise your hands. If you open the book, please raise your hand. Ahmed Osama. Page 24. Okay. Most of you open the books. So question number one. Who wants to solve with me? Question number one. We need to compare between 32,053 and 35,251. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Number one. Question number one, page 24. Or we can choose random. Taha? Taha? So what is the answer for question number one? Question number one. Sorry?
44.
Sorry?
64.
64. We are
100.
solving question number 1. Can you see question number 1 here?
Oh, that one.
I said 24. Okay.
24.
So, Muhammad Bashauri, can you open the mic now? And the question number 1?
Hello.
Yes. What is the answer for question number 1?
35.
So I will choose a sign number 1 or number 2 or number 3.
Number 2.
Number 2 by this way.
Yeah.
How come? How we know that the sign is right or wrong?
Number 1.
Why number 1? I would erase this one. Why number 1?
Because you put first the small number.
Not the small number. At the first number 1, we count the digits. So how many digits that we have for this number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits.
Yeah.
And the other number we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have also 5 digits. So we start from left to right. We have 3 is equal to 3. And we have 2 and 5. 5 is greater than 2, so we choose this sign. Because 5, the sign is looking to the greatest number. So Ahmed Raza will solve with me question number 2. Ahmed Raza, solve with me question number 2.
Yes.
Question number 2. There's
Okay.
a lot of noise beside you. There is a lot of noise beside you, Ahmed. Ryan? Ryan, can you solve this? Yes. Can you solve the question number 2?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What is the answer?
9-1.
Sorry?
Here. In the 6.
So the answer now is question answer the sign number 1 or 2 or 3. Number 1 or 2 or 3. Smaller than, greater than or equal. Less than, greater than or equal.
I don't understand. Can you repeat it?
How we can solve it? I will solve this one again. But we can check who can solve this one. Raza, can you solve this one?
Which one?
Number 2.
Oh, okay. Okay. The answer is going to be 26,409.
What? The smaller or greater than?
Bigger one.
Bigger one. So the sign now would be number 1 or 2 or number 3?
Number 1.
Number 1. So how we can compare between the two numbers? Again, for this one. Again, how we can compare between the two numbers? To compare between the number 1, you need to count the digit. How many digits that you have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 digits. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's also 5 digits. So they have the same number of digits. So we start from left to right. We have 2 and 2. They are the same. But we have 5 and 6. They are not the same. 6 is greater than 5. So 26,000 is greater than 25,000. So number 3. Number 3, who can solve this one with me? Abdul Latif Zubair. Abdul Latif Zubair, just 1 minute. Abdul Latif Zubair, can you solve this one with me?
Yes.
Okay, number 3. What is the answer?
Number 3 will be, they're both equal.
Number 3, both of them are equal because they have the same number of digits and all of the digits are equal with the same order. Okay. Thanks. So we need Ayatollah Yahya. Can you solve this question, please? Number 4.
Yes.
Okay, number 4. Can you solve number 4, please, with me?
Yes.
Okay.
The
What is the
left,
answer?
the right one.
The right one.
The
So we
right,
choose the sign number 1 or number 2 or number 3?
the two.
Number 2. By this way. That is a sign number 1. Look at number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Number.
This one is right or wrong?
No, it's wrong. It's number 1.
So that's number 1. Sorry. You need number 1? Sign number 1?
Yes.
Okay. So 72. Can you read this number, the two numbers, and can you read the statement? Can you read it?
72.
We have to divide the number into periods. So that is the first period and that is the second period. The name of the second period, which is 1000. So read this number and say 1000. Then read the other part.
72,000. 40.
Read the number. What is this number? You have 4, 5, and 1. Can you read this number?
451.
Yes, that's right. So I need another one to solve question number 5. So Abdullah.
Yes.
Can you solve the question number 5?
Yes.
So which sign that I will use?
Equal.
They are equal because they have the same number of digits and all of the digits are equal. So they are equal. Okay. Thanks, Abdullah. So we need just 1 minute to open. Ryan Khalid, can you solve this one, please? Number 6.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear
Ryan.
me?
Yes, Ryan Khalid.
Teacher.
Yes.
And now I've done all the work. Now I'm doing my homework. I can't answer it. Which one? Number 6.
Please, when I ask any one question, please, don't give me any other idea, please. I know that you are excellent. You solve all of the worksheet, but yani, please, I'm asking you to solve question number 6. So thank you for your effort. Thank you that you are solving, but I'm asking only about number 6. So Majd, can you solve with me? Majd, can you solve with me question number 6?
The left.
No, I need you to write the number. Read the number.
442,089
Yes.
is greater than.
Is greater than. Yes.
442,078.
Perfect. Thanks. Okay. Taha, can you solve this one, please? Taha.
Okay.
Question number 7.
Question number 7. It is the one at the.
Read the number, please. Read the statement. Like when I say, suppose that I'm having here comparing between 23 and 18. I know that 23 is greater than 18. So I will read it. 23 is greater than 18. Or suppose that I'm having 15 and 27. So I will say 15 is smaller than or less than 27. So I need you to read the statement, all of the statement. Read the two numbers and put the sign between them. That's how we can read the numbers.
247.
No, just a minute. At the first, read, we need to divide it. 1, 2, 3, that's the first period. 1, 2, 3, that is the second period. So can you read this number and the second period, which is 1000? So only read 2, 2, 4. How you can read this number?
22,000?
Read this number. There is no 1,000 now. Just read this number. This one.
Okay.
Only this number. The three,
2,400.
that's 2,400. This one. You have a number here. 2, 2, 4. Can you read this number?
240.
Read it again. Try again. That's 3 digits. Only 3 digits. Read the 3 digits. Read the number. That's only 3 digits. How you can read? I need you only to read the 3 digits. There is no other number. Only read the 3 digits.
100?
Sorry, I can't hear.
24, 22, 400?
No. So who can read with me this number? Maher. Just a minute to open the mic for Maher. Okay. Maher, can you solve this one with me? Number 7.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read the number, read the statement, read the first statement, and put greater than or smaller than or equal? Then explain how we can read the number.
Use the number line to compare.
No, I don't need to use the number line. Just read the statement and how we can compare between them. If you want to use the number line, the number which lies at the left is smaller than the number which lies at the right. So 30,000 is smaller than 31,000. If you go to the right, just read the number 7.
Number 7.
I asked you for number 7. I didn't ask you if you did all of them right or wrong because I didn't see the book. Maybe you solve all of them right. Maybe there is some question wrong. So I'm asking you about number 7. Only the answer. Give me the answer for number 7. That's all.
The right one.
Read the right one. I just ask you, read the number. Please read the number. Put greater than or smaller than. Then read the second number. Can you read this number? And number 7, reading numbers. I'm asking you to read the number only.
Like 2, 4.
How you can read this number? We explain how we can read this one.
224, 747.
Again, for this one, at the first, we divide the number into periods. So that is the first period, and that is the second period. So the first period, which is the ones period. The second period, which is the 1,000 period. So to read this number, so it will be?
It would be the same as the other one.
Read the number, please. Read the number, then read the name of the period. Read the number. Read the 3 digits inside the circle.
224.
224,000. Then continue reading the other part.
747.
Okay. Again. Then read the second number.
224.
Yes.
774.
Okay. So which one is bigger than the other one? So I have to write smaller than, or greater than, or equal.
Smaller than.
Smaller than. The first number is smaller than the second one. Thanks. Okay. So Abdurrahman.
Yeah, hello.
I need you to solve question number 8. If you can see in page 25.
Yeah. Okay.
Page 25.
So for 45,526.
Greater than or smaller than or equal?
Smaller than.
Smaller than Read the other number.
48, 47,
48 what?
48. Huh?
What is the name of the period? 48 what? 48 lies in which period?
48, 87, 37,
No.
1,000.
At the first, we have that is the first period, which is the ones period. That is the second period, which is the 1,000 period. So 48 what?
48,000.
48,000. Then continue reading.
873.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Thanks. Who can solve the next one? Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim. Solve question number 9. Read the first number. Put the sign. Read the second number. Muhammad Asim. Muhammad Asim. Okay. Muhammad Bashauri. Question number 9.
31,748.
Yes. Yes. Greater than or smaller than or equal. Greater than, less than, or equal. Sorry? Bigger than. The second number. Can you read the second number, please?
31,521.
Yes, perfect. Okay, thanks. I need to solve question number 10. Abdullah? Abdullah? Question number
Yes.
10. Question number 10. Read the first number, put greater than or equal or smaller than, then read the second number.
126,532.
Yes. Greater than, smaller than, or equal. Bigger than, less than, equal. What is the sign? How we know that?
Less
Number 1, less than. Because we count the number of digits, they have the same number of digits. So we will find that 1 the same as 1, 2 the same as 2. But we have 6 and 9, they are different. 6 is less than 9. So the number 126,000 is smaller than 129,000. Thanks. Ryan Khalid, please solve question number 11. Only I need number 11. Okay? Just read the first number, read the second number, put greater than or smaller than between them.
Okay, number 11, right?
Yes, number 11.
Okay, so it's equal.
They are. Read the number, please.
Okay. 3,030.
Is equal to 3,030. Thanks.
Teacher, we've done this before, like a long time ago, and I don't know how do they not even remember. This is just the numbers are just a little bit high. Before it was like 20, 30, 100, 200, something like that, and they don't even remember this. This is so easy. I just did the whole thing wrong.
Thanks. We have Yusuf or Osama. Yusuf, Osama. Question number 12.
Question number 12.
Yes.
Smaller than.
Read the number, please. Read the first number. That's smaller than. Your answer is right. So, but I need you to read the number.
76, 101.
Just a minute. 76 what? What is the name of the period? Yes. 76,101.
101. And 777,000.
77,000. Smaller than 77,000. Okay.
Yeah.
So number 12, we need Ahmed Raza to solve this question. Ahmed Raza. We need number 13. Can you solve number 13?
13 will be.
Read the number, put the sign, then read the number.
Okay. 12,683, 12,638. So they're 12,683 will be the bigger one.
Bigger
Yes.
one. Okay, thanks. Abdul Latif Zubair, can you solve the next one? Number
Yes.
14. Number 14.
Okay. 200,000
No.
29.
No, just a minute. Read this number.
I'm just reading the numbers.
Just read this number.
Reading the numbers.
Then read
Okay.
1,000. Then read the other part.
Okay. 229,214 is less than
Yes.
300,000.
No. Yes.
142.
Perfect. Thanks. Taha, question number 15.
Question number 15.
Yes.
That's totally equal.
They are equal. Thanks.
And you?
They are equal. Question number Tariq. Taki. Yes, by this way. Don't change your name, Taki. So question number 16, Taki.
Number 16
Yes.
is 342.
What? Read the number, please. Read the number. Put the sign. Read the number.
342. 600.
No. Just a minute. We divide the number into periods. That is the first period, and that is the second period. That is the 1th, that is the 1,000. So we read the number, then we read 1,000. Then read the other part.
342,000
Yes.
and 646.
Perfect. Put greater than or smaller than or equal.
Bigger than.
Bigger than. Okay. Continue, read the other part.
Me?
Yes, read the other number. That's your question.
34,646.
So, thanks, that's right. So we need Walid. Walid, can you solve this one?
Yes, teacher.
Question number 17.
What?
17. Question number 17.
17. Okay.
17.
398 and 4.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
1,000.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Read the number, then 1,000. Don't forget to say 1,000.
Yeah. 398 1,000.
Yes.
421.
Yes.
Another one.
Bigger than or smaller than or equal. I need to write the full statement. Bigger than or greater than, less than or equal.
The bigger is
Bigger
300,
than. Yes.
398.
No. 89. 300.
89,421.
Thanks.
But the bigger 398.
Thanks.
421.
Okay. We need Ryan to solve this one. Number 18.
Okay, number 18.
Yes.
Okay, number 8. It's equal. I'll say the numbers. 600. 600, 5,310, and 605, 310.
605,310. Okay. So we have Yusuf Osama. Okay. Question number 19.
Okay. Now, 16 you mean, or 19?
19. We
19.
finished 16. خلاص.
19.
Hmm.
840,000.
Just a minute. Can you read this number, please? Only this number. This number.
84.
No, at the first, that is the ones, tens, and 100. That's right.
Yeah.
So we say
800.
100. Huh?
800.
Not 800. 840. 800.
840.
40 what? 840,000.
840,000.
Yes.
And 500.
Yes.
And 15.
Yes, perfect. It's greater than or smaller than or equal?
It's smaller than.
Smaller than. Read the other part. Just read the first one. Then with 1,000, read the second part. Okay.
845. 45 and 15.
845 what?
15.
845.
Oh,
Yes.
1,000.
Don't forget the
1,000.
name of the period. Don't forget the name of the period.
Sorry.
Okay. Thanks. So we need Abdullah to solve the next one. Abdullah.
Yes.
Okay. So question number 20. What is the answer for this one?
655,543.
Okay. It's greater than, less than, or equal?
Smaller than.
Smaller than by this way? Like that? Smaller than like that?
Yes.
Okay. How you know that's smaller than? How you know that's smaller than, or how you know that's greater than, or how you know that they are equal? How we compare between the two numbers? Number one, we count the digit. How many digits for the first number? How many digits for the first number?
3.
No, for the first number, all of the first number. All of this number.
6.
6 digits, okay. How many digits for the other number?
6.
Okay. So they are equal in digits now? Or different?
Yes.
They are the same. So we start from left to right. We start from left. What is the first number here at the left?
6.
What is the first number here at the left?
Oh, okay. The right one is the correct answer.
Yes, the right one is the correct answer. So number one, you need to count the digit. Number two, you need to start from left to right. Check if they are the same, go to the next one. If they are not the same, compare between them. But that's only if they have the same number of digits. Okay? So we need Amr Fauzi to solve this one. Amr Fauzi?
Yes.
Okay. Solve question number 21.
Yes.
Question number 21.
Okay. Question what?
21. You are not looking to the screen?
21. 21 is the it's 7,020.
That's not 7,020. We said again, start from right. Count 1, 2, 3. That's the first group. 1, 2, 3. That is the second group. The first group or the first period, which is the ones period. The second period, which is, or the second group, which is?
10.
Sorry, no. The second digit is the tens. The third is 100. Now I'm talking about group. Group of numbers. The period. The family of a number, which formed from 3 digits. The first family is called, or the first group, or the first period is called ones. The second group is called? What is the name of the second group?
7.
What is the name of the second group? I'm just asking you. What is the name of the second group? What is the name of the second period? That's my question. I didn't ask you about anything else. I just asked about this question.
1.
Sorry?
1.
No, the first one is ones. The first one is ones. The second?
The second is the 1,000.
Yes, it's 1,000. So read the number. Read this number, then say 1,000. Read this number inside the circle.
7,020.
Just 1 minute. Can you read this number?
700.
720, then we say 1,000. Then continue reading.
720,000.
Yes.
301.
Yes. And the other part?
720,000. 31.
31. So can compare between them?
7.
Bigger than, smaller than, or equal? Bigger than. Okay, that's right.
Bigger than.
Yes, thanks. So we need another one to solve. The last question. Muhammad Zakwan. Okay, you solve the last one, 22? That's
Yes.
the last question, then we can finish.
Okay.
Number 22.
So it's 333,452 and 333,452. It's equal.
They are equal. Okay, thanks.
Welcome.
Now we finish this page. Finish page 25. I need you to solve the homework. The homework will be, I will write now in the group, the homework will be page 27. The homework will be page 27. Page 27 is the homework, and I'm sending now to the group. And next session, inshallah, we'll solve page 20, the remaining page 26. Then we can continue to the next lesson. I will send the video, inshallah, today to the group. Okay? And see you, inshallah, next session. Assalamu alaikum.